she's swimming, a fine humpback whale, a mother of 3 with a symmetrical tail. She's happily living, so glad to be there, because people like you decided to care. Humpbacks are special, here's one reason why. When they're happy, they breach and leap up towards the sky. I've seen it, and I'll tell you, it'll blow you away, watching a great creature have fun while she plays. We often see pictures of whales all alone, but I can tell you it's not what it seems. Humpbacks play, and they live together, and they do their best hunting by working in teams. They all gather together with mouths open wide and swim in a circle till their prey is inside the whirlpool they've made. Then don't think that they're rude. With mouths open wide, they scoop up their food. Migrating north and south with the seasons, humpbacks need us for so many reasons. We must keep them safe and their watery homes too. They need their space just like me and you. So today, when reflection breaches with joy, she'll be saying thank you to each girl and boy. And when she draws a baby close to her side, each one of you should feel a great sense of pride.